In this short tutorial, you will learn how to add Notes widget to iPhone home screen on iOS 18. This feature is useful because it lets you see your important notes at a glance without opening the app. It makes accessing your notes quick and easy. First things first, locate an empty space on your home screen. Tap and hold that empty area until all your app icons start to jiggle. This indicates that you're in editing mode. Next, look at the top left corner of your screen for the Edit button. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, find and tap on the Ad Widget option. To make things easier, let's search specifically for the Notes widget. Tap on the search bar located at the top of this menu. Type in Notes, and hit Search. Tap Notes. You should now see several different Note widget options available for selection. Take a moment to swipe through these options and choose one that best fits your needs. After choosing your preferred style, simply tap on the Ad Widget button located beneath it. Instantly, you'll see it appear right on your home screen. Feel free to move this newly added Notes widget around. You can place it anywhere you like. Once you're satisfied with its placement, look towards the top right corner and tap on Done. This saves all changes made during this session. And there you have it. You've successfully added a Notes widget to your iPhone's home screen running iOS 18. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.